Hey guys, welcome back. So today's Thursday. I'm out of breath. I just started doing my bloating workout and like the second exercise is burpee, so goodbye after that. But I was like, oh, I didn't vlog, and then I was like, I don't know why I decided to come on like when I'd already started the workout. But anyway, I'm just back from a walk. We kind of went on such a big walk yesterday and today, and I feel good after it, even though it was so fucking cold outside and it was so windy. Oh my god, you should have seen the sea. It was literally crazy. So anyway, yeah, it's like nearly 12:30 now, so I'm gonna just get this workout done quickly. Connor's in the shower, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then he's gonna make us a nice healthy lunch. Well, actually it's not that healthy. I think we're having fusion wraps. Never mind. And yeah, then that's it. I'll check in with you after. Got lots of recording to do today. So today will probably be like what I do in a day, like when I'm getting work done, even though it's like lunchtime and I haven't done any actual work. But I feel like I need to get back into exercising at the moment, so I'm really trying. Oh my god, I could crawl off this chair. Got to the end of our road, and then we're like, we forgot the shopping bags. We just cannot get used to it, honestly. My teeth, they look whiter, I feel like. I used the Crest teeth whitening strips twice now, today and like 2 days ago. I actually noticed a difference, definitely. I don't like my actual teeth though, the shapes of them, but health queens. Woohoo! Doo-doo. These are the banana bread that I made the other day. I can't remember if I made it on my vlog or not, but I made it, or I shared it on my Instagram stories. But I just made like muffins this time, so hopefully they're nice. But you need to have these, or you need to make these, honestly. It was so nice in like a banana bread as well. Like I made an actual just like bread, like I used a bread tin. But these are nice to have as like a treat, or else if you're having like breakfast on the go, like you can just reheat them. Do you know what I mean? Even like you can obviously still eat them, not heat it, but I just like all these kind of things warm. But yeah, they're so nice. I use Lydia, I can never pronounce her surname. Her sister is Cynthia. Her surname is like Zolo or I don't know, but anyway, I'll put her Instagram here. I'm sure you know who she is, but she put up the recipe for the banana bread. She always puts up loads of good baking recipes. And this one's like healthy. It's literally just like eggs, banana, oats, vanilla extract, and a bit of baking powder. So yeah, so nice. And obviously chocolate chips if you want, which clearly I did. They really make it, to be honest. Like it will be kind of boring without them, if you get me. So definitely do chocolate chips. Bigger chocolate chips are even nicer, to be honest. Like these ones, do you know how chocolate chips sometimes don't melt that well? It's weird, like they stay kind of. I used like bits of cooking chocolate as well, and I used only cooking chocolate for the banana bread that I made, and it was really nice because it like melted kind of. So yeah, I would suggest that, or even like normal chocolate, like oh. Yeah, anyway. I need to relax. So yeah, highly recommend. You should definitely make them. They're so quick and easy to make as well. They literally take 15 minutes in the oven, which is so good, because some of the baked oats take like half an hour, 40 minutes. I'm like, no thanks. So yeah, I'm finished recording my PLT haul. I did it in a bit of a rush because Connor has some parent teacher meetings now, so he needs to leave that room. So yeah, I'm gonna record my H&M home haul down here. So I brought down like my ring light and all that, and I'm just going to do that now. I literally have 2 huge boxes of H&M home stuff to show, so make sure that you watch that. It's probably well up by now, I'd say, because I'm really behind on my home vlogs. So yeah, Did I even show you these yesterday? I can't remember if I did or not in the last one, but anyway, I put the capsules in here for now. Con doesn't want me to buy any more cookies because he eats them all, but I like how they look, so I'm kind of sad. I might just get some cookies for that. But anyway, I'm also gonna make dinner then after my H&M home haul. We're gonna have turkey burgers, I think, and I think I'll make some chips because we've got potatoes and yeah, we've got like tins for burgers. So I think we'll have one turkey burger in a tin each, and then some of the chips, and I think I will obviously go with some veg as well because I need to eat more veg. I literally put on my jeans a few minutes ago and I was like, fuck, these are so tight. So yeah, but it's fine, we're working on it. I just remembered I got a small Zara order today. It's only 3 things, but they're really nice, so I'm gonna show you them probably in this video because it's not long enough for like a big fat long proper haul, if you get me. But then again, I'll probably order more from Zara tomorrow and I can just include them, but now I think I'll do them in this bit because why not? They're gorgeous. I can't wait for you to see them. So I'll show you what I got from Zara now. This coat as well, and just 2 things in there. Always feels like such a big order because it's in a box from Zara, I feel like, but it's not really that big. So the first thing is this coat. It's like a sleeveless gilet, but I'm obsessed with the colour. Sorry, my shoes are in the way. I keep tripping over them. I'm obsessed with the colour. I literally, they only had an XXL in stock, and honestly their sizes can be tiny anyway, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just get it. And I'm pretty happy. Like, oh, in an ideal world I would have liked to size down because I feel like it makes me just look way bigger than I am. Like, there's oversized and then there's over, and yeah, it's like, it's nude but it's kind of like a greyish hint. Do you get me? It's kind of hard to describe, but I love the colour. It's really nice. It will literally go to everything, and it's so nice and oversized. Like, it goes like right out here, like over your arm. Do you get me? It's really nice. It's like to here. It's not like the skimpy ones that are like in here. Like, it really keeps you warm. I wore it to Aldi yesterday because I was dying to wear it, but it actually kept me really warm because I made Connor stop and take a pick of me on the way, and I was not even like too cold, and it was so cold yesterday. So yeah, the zip and all is so nice as well. It's kind of, it feels like rubberized nearly. Like, the quality is so nice, and it matches the rest of it, which I love. Then it has 2 zip pockets, which are so handy, like for going out for a walk or whatever. Just throwing this on, you know, when you don't want to wear a coat but it's too cold not to wear anything. I feel like a sleeveless jacket is perfect. So yeah, I think it's probably meant to be a bit more cropped because I got it in such a big size, but I love it. So hopefully they get it back in, or else there's more sizes in stock now. So I'll leave it linked below if I can. If not, I'll try find similar. And link below. I'll link everything that I show below. And if I ever forget, just ask me in the comments. So the next thing that I've wanted for so long, but I just kept on like, I don't know if I want to spend €50 on a pair of wellies, but I feel like now that the black is out and also the nude, like or cream, to be honest, I went on to buy the cream ones, and then I don't know, I just was like, will I get more wear out of the cream or the black? And I just thought probably the black, so I got the black for now, but I still want the cream. Like, now that I've got them, I want the cream even more. So yeah, I'm obsessed. They're so nice. Like, these are €50 and they're actually like really worth it. The quality, they're gorgeous, and they're just like flat. I have like knee-high boots, but they've got a heel, like a small heel. They're like cowboy stylish kind of ones, you know, those with like the pointed toes. So, like, I can't wear them for like day to day, like, do you know what I mean? They're more like fancy. So yeah, I feel like these will be more casual for me, if you get me, and hopefully I'll get more wear out of them. And if I am getting wear out of them, then I'll get the cream, but I really want the cream like right now. And then the last thing that I got is a jumper. I'm obsessed with this. I haven't tried it on yet, so I don't know if it fits me. What size did I even get? Got a large. and it is meant to be like a cropped, but it's gorgeous. It's creamy nude. Oh god, I hope it's not too long. Hopefully with the elastic it'll be fine, because it's meant to come to like here. Ah yeah, that'd be fine. So yeah, the end is like elasticated like this. I just love the colour. It also comes in brown. It comes in such a nice like pale like sage kind of colour, and I honestly had them all in my basket, and then I was like, no, like hop on, get yourself together. So then I just narrowed it down to the cream, but I really want the brown. But I need a good pair of brown joggers to go with the brown. I was like, I'll just get one, see if I even get the right size, because I didn't know if this would be too big, too small. Like honestly, in Zara I'm honestly like an extra large in their biker leggings, but then in their tops I'm like a medium. So I don't know, I got a large in case, because I'd rather it be too big, but then because it's cropped in enough I'll get away with it. So let me try it on for you, because some of you might be wondering as well. Just close the blinds. Okay, I'm glad I got a large, because yeah, it's like perfect. I love it. I am obsessed with jump hoodies that don't have strings. Like I love when they're just plain and simple like that, and I always look for them. I feel like Talentless, all theirs are like that, aren't they? And they're so nice, so cool. Yeah, so nice. So yeah, perfect size up, I'd say. Got a large, and yeah, you want it nice and loose. Also the sleeves are like this, which is nice for a change. Cute. It goes nicely with my Angel Collection joggers. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I got from Zara. I'm just gonna go and make dinner now. Like I said, I need to chop up some potatoes to make us some chips. So yeah, I'll show you that. Honestly, my camera is flashing red again. I need to go charge it. It was only a few minutes ago. So do you know what, I'm just gonna plug it in and make dinner, because Connor's gonna be finished soon. So I'll see you in the next vid. I'm gonna end this one here. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.